And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited. I am doing an office tour for you guys today. If you guys did not know, I did get an office space. Well, you know now if you're watching this video. But you would know if you watch my vlogs over on my vlog channel, which will be linked down below. On my vlog channel this year, I'm doing Vlogmas. Well, this is like my 4th or my 5th year. I feel like a Vlogmas veteran now. But basically, I vlog every day from December 1st to December 25th. And I upload every single day. So if you guys like vlogs, go check those out. Over on that channel, I'm going to be like decorating the office. I've already done the moving and the packing and all that stuff, so go watch those if you haven't already. A little plug for you in case you didn't know. I am so excited about this office though. I have never had an office like this to myself, and I know it sounds kind of crazy to be honest. Also, I know a lot of people are probably freaking out because I know we love this apartment. Trust me, I love this apartment. I am staying here. This is still my apartment where I live at. But for me, I've been doing YouTube for so long, and just working out of your house can get kind of crazy sometimes. And with my team growing and with all my projects, I have so many things that I'm working on coming. I wanted to separate the two just for myself and just for my sanity. So yes, I am so excited today to be bringing you guys this empty office tour. Again, there's going to be so much more content coming with this for you. Content, baby, content, am I right? And please let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see. If you want like decor stuff or like specific things with the office and with moving, let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get to the tour. Alright guys, it's very echoey, but welcome to the Miss Remy Ashton headquarters, the first official ever. I am so excited. So let's do a tour. Again, echoey. Hello! Hello. We have much to do, much decorating. Let's start this tour, shall we, at the door. Okay, so something that I just found out right now is that my doorbell song changes every time someone rings the doorbell. Like, it's an actual song that has to do with like ringing a doorbell or like knocking. So here we go. It's so good. So, starting here at the door, we've got some nice light switches. I'll have to figure all this out. And then we can do a nice big pan around to the big room. I didn't get dizzy because I spotted. Just kidding, I got dizzy. So yes, I love this place so much. I guess we'll start over here actually. Over here, since this is an apartment, there is a washer dryer in here, which is very nice and convenient for when I do my laundry here, if need be. So we got those there. Oh, it's automatic. Fancy. And now, to probably my favorite part, the kitchen, which all of my new cooking videos will most likely be filmed here. I am so excited. I've always wanted a white marble kitchen, you guys, and I got it here. We've got the sink. You can come over here. We'll do a whole kitchen tour. So, welcome to the kitchen. I am so stoked about this. It is seriously the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Expect many different tours in here, but here we have the fridge. Ooh, oh my God, this is so nice. It's got like a little wine rack in here. This is fancy schmancy. We got the fridge, we got the freezer. Oh yeah, she's brand new. And an ice maker, yay. We've got the dishwasher here, which my dishwasher at my place is broken, so hopefully this one works for when I do all my cooking videos. We've got the sink here, and this is something that really excited me about this place. There is a built-in wine fridge here, so I'm excited to have like all my team over here. We can have meetings and things, and I can just get out a little bottle of wine. It'll be really cute. I also really love this kitchen because there is so much space and storage space and pantries behind me, because my place doesn't really have a lot, and cooking and just having so much stuff all the time, it's nice to keep it nice and organized. So there are just like thousands of different pantries behind me, which is really nice. I'll have to get a ladder for the tall ones because I'm short, but we'll make it work. Tons of different like little storage things here. There's a stove, more storage. And something cool is that there's a built-in little like beer opener here. Personally, I don't drink beer, but if anybody comes over and wants one, I got something to open it for you. So I've always wanted to have bar stools, but I've never had a place to put them before. So now I finally have a little bar area. I can like cook here and hang out and like do my work stuff here. So we've got some nice bar stool area there. Here in this little section of the room, I'm thinking I'm gonna put like a couch and probably like my coffee table. I have a lot of furniture that I'm bringing over here, so I'm gonna do that here, and this can be a nice little meeting spot. And then over here in this area, I'm gonna put some desks, and I'm thinking right around here for my assistant and for Eli, who's filming, to just get all of our work done and things like that. I think it's gonna go there. I wanna put some plants up. I'm gonna do wallpaper. I have so many fun things planned. And yes, come this way, we've got the bathroom over here. In here, we've got the bathroom. This is just a pretty standard bathroom. There's a shower, some little storage, toilet, sink. Nothing too crazy. This is just gonna be for us to use when we're working and things. Not much filming will be going on in here. But I will say, I found a full-length mirror on the back of this door yesterday, and I was very impressed with that. Last room, this way. This is going to be my personal office, which I am stoked about. All right, guys, welcome to what is going to be my office. So far, for what I'm thinking is that this wall is going to be covered in wallpaper, and then I'm gonna have my desk right here. I'm gonna have different like shelves up holding all my merch and future projects and things like that, displaying all of that here. And then I think I wanna put a calendar up here. And that's as far as I've gotten, honestly. I don't really know what else I'm gonna do. Over here is a closet, and it is a walk-in closet, which is super, super nice. Oh, I didn't know there was a shelf in there already. Tomorrow the movers are coming, and I'm gonna bring all of my different like craft drawer things over here, because if you guys remember, I used to do a lot of DIY projects, and I don't really utilize them as much anymore since I don't do as many DIYs, or really any DIYs. Let me know if you guys wanna see more, because I have the supplies. So they're gonna move into this closet area, keep it nice and organized. And I'm excited to like take my phone calls and my meetings in here and like shut the door and just like have my own space. It's gonna be fun. So that is pretty much the whole place. I have one last thing I wanna show you guys though. So follow me outside. All right guys, last but not least, we are here on my patio area, which I am so excited about. I've said that like 50,000 times, I'm sorry, but I'm really excited. I'm planning on covering this with like some fake AstroTurf grass stuff. Is that what it's called? I forget. I was a cheerleader in high school and they talked about that. So yeah, I'm thinking like fake grass, having some like little egg chairs here so we can take like meetings and things like that outside. So that is the place. Let's go back in and we'll end this video. All right guys, so that concludes my empty office tour. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your love and support on all my projects and just my videos and everything that I do, because I would not be able to have this if it weren't for you. I can't wait to create more things for you guys, and just I'm so excited for the future of this channel and everything else. I love you guys. Again, be sure to check out my vlog channel if you want to see all the moving stuff. I love you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!